Okay.
There's gold in those things, man. They got real gold in them. He's coming to you. Here he comes. He's coming to you. What the heck is that, Eric? See look at the shell over here. Look. See the conch shell?
Okay, bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye. I'll see you later. Bye. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Yeah. You see the sharks? That's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, wow. You want to get down? Okay. Big shark?
Yeah.
What else you see?
I like it.
Big shark.
Big shark?
More shark. Yeah.
Is that a shark?
Really enjoy the AC. The thumbs are not opposable. Their thumbs are just kind of like it's used for grasping, and that's about it.
Hi, duck. Hi, duck.
Spit poison, right? In your eyes.
What?
So they spit.
No! That's a dinosaur. That's a Dilophosaurus. You see the bats? That's a big fish, huh? we're out of here. It's super hot. Let's go get some food.